In this video, I'm going to go over 3 campaigns that are absolutely printing in my agency ad accounts right now in March 2025. And for those that are new here, my name is Mason Littlejohn. I'm the founder of We Are The Select, a boutique 7, 8, 9-figure ad agency and Meta Ads at Scale, the first coaching program that helps e-commerce brands at any stage of growth scale profitably with Meta Ads. I spent over $330 million on Meta Ads. I've driven over $1.7 billion in Meta Ads attributable revenue, and that's why you should listen to me. Now let's talk about the first campaign that's printing for my clients right now. So this first campaign is what I call an IG post campaign. So what is an IG post campaign? It's essentially taking the exact Instagram posts you're posting on your brand and actually just turning them into existing post ads. So you create an Advantage Plus shopping campaign and then you use existing posts as the ads in that campaign and only use existing posts from your Instagram as the ads in that campaign. So something you have to be careful about, you cannot use copyrighted music in ads. And so if you are using copyrighted music, you actually have to download the video and then you can launch it as an ad because Instagram will not let you use it as a post. But these campaigns are absolutely crushing it. Some of these ads are crushing it that are literally like skip-based posts that don't even talk about the product that the brand sells, but they're still printing, still crushing, still driving amazing CVCs, amazing CPAs, amazing cost per ad carts, amazing cost per checkouts. Some of these ads are holy grail ads. So if you're not running IG post campaigns, you gotta try it out. Try it out if you have skip posts, try it out if you have product specific posts, try it out with founder specific posts, just try it out with any post that has gotten traction. And I promise you, you are going to thank me later. So what are you doing? Get off your computer right now and go launch your IG post campaign. Now let's move on to campaign number 2. These are whitelisting campaigns. This is something I talk about every few months, every year, and it's something I've never stopped using. But if you're not running whitelisting campaigns, you are truly missing out. You could be running founder whitelisting campaigns, means you're running ads through your founder account, talking about your brand and sending them to your website. Or it can be influencer whitelisting campaigns, using influencers' handles to run ads to your website. Or it can be even partnership ads, which is the handshake, where it's the influencer with your brand name running ads directly to your website. These campaigns always crush. It's because they open you up to a new audience. When you run ads through your brand account, you are limited to what the algorithm knows about your brand, and your advertising dollars are skewed in one direction based on all the data the algorithm has on your brand. When you run through different pages, the algorithm opens you up to brand new audiences. So this is why these are so effective, because you're always reaching incremental audiences when you're using whitelisting. So if you're not running whitelisting, you should be running it on prospecting, you should be running it on retargeting, you should be running with dynamic product ads, and you should be running Advantage Plus with it. This can literally double the scale of your ad account. So if you're not running whitelisting, this is your sign to start whitelisting. If you can't afford influencers, you should start running founder whitelisting, because this is the easiest way to get started and it works almost every single time. And now let's talk about campaign number 3. These are international campaigns. And so this is the easiest way to scale if you're a brand in the United States. So if you're a brand that's crushing in the United States, shipping really isn't an issue for you and you've never gone international, this is your sign to go international. This has been one of the easiest way to scale some of my agency clients, where I ask them, hey, have you ever run your ads internationally before? They're like, no, but we ship internationally all the time. We get people that find us from Europe, from Australia, from Singapore, from Hong Kong, right? From the UK, and they have never run an international Meta Ads campaign before. So I quickly just duplicated one of their Advantage Pluses, duplicated the retargeting, and these are crushing at a higher return on ad spend, cheaper clicks, cheaper CPMs, and now we've doubled their scale. So if you have not ran international Meta Ads campaigns, this is, again, your sign to do that, especially if you can ship overseas at not a high cost to yourself. This is the easiest way just to double up your scale. So if you haven't tried international campaigns, just do it, just try it out, and I promise you, you're going to thank me later. But wait, I have one more campaign for you guys. This is a bonus campaign, and this is what I call seasonal campaigns. And so, as you guys know, during the calendar year, there's always seasonal moments, whether it's New Year's, whether it's Valentine's Day, St. Patrick's Day, Mother's Day, Father's Day, 4th of July, right? There's Labor Day, there's Thanksgiving, there's Christmas, right? There's all these different seasons throughout the year. So you can create an offer within your ad account that is only relevant for certain seasons. So you have the seasonal campaign that runs for Valentine's Day, you have a Valentine's Day offer, and then once Valentine's Day is over, then you launch a St. Patrick's Day offer, right? Then you launch a Mother's Day offer, right? And so this campaign can be running at all times during the year. And this is a secret weapon that I run for some of my ad accounts. So if you haven't thought about running a seasonal promotion offer campaign, you should try it out because these absolutely crush and they maintain your seasonal relevance throughout the year at all times. Now that wraps it up for the 3 campaigns that are crushing right now, but wait, I did also give you a 4th campaign. So that wraps it up for the 4 campaigns that are crushing in March 2025 right now. And if you're like, wait, Mason, I don't know how to set up these campaigns. I don't know what I'm doing with meta ads. Don't worry, I have a coaching program. It's called Meta Ads at Scale. It is the first coaching program that helps e-commerce brands at any stage of growth scale properly with meta ads. So if you're interested in working with me, hit the link in the description, book an application call with myself or one of my team members, and we're gonna show you how we can double your revenue at least in 6 months, guaranteed, or we will work with you for free. So again, make sure you hit the link in the bio, book a call with us, like, subscribe, comment. We love you. Keep watching my videos and we'll talk to you soon.